Lunar eclipses are global events. They happen at the same moment for everyone, but the local clock time depends on your time zone. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. During a total lunar eclipse, the Moon takes on a deep red or coppery hue, often called a blood moon, and can be visible to millions of people worldwide. Eclipses of the Moon are visible anywhere where the Moon is above the horizon at the time. Since the geometry of lunar eclipses requires that the Moon is directly opposite the Sun in the sky, the Moon can be seen above the horizon anywhere where the Sun is beneath the horizon. September 7-8, 2025 brings a stunning blood moon total lunar eclipse, painting the Moon red for 82 unforgettable minutes. Billions of people in Australia, Europe, India, China, Russia, Africa, and Asia will get to see at least part of the total eclipse. It's the second and final solar eclipse of 2025, arriving just before the September equinox, a date on which day and night are roughly the same length in both the northern and southern hemispheres. This will be a truly global event. About 7.03 billion people, 88% of the world's population, will see at least part of the total phase, and around 6.27 billion people, 77% of the world's population, will see the entire total phase from beginning to end. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the Moon's near side entirely passes into the Earth's umbral shadow. Unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be viewed from a relatively small area of the world, a lunar eclipse may be viewed from anywhere on the night side of Earth. A total lunar eclipse can last up to nearly 2 hours, while a total solar eclipse lasts only a few minutes at any given place, because the Moon's shadow is smaller. Occurring about 2.6 days before perigee, on Wednesday, September 10, 2025, the Moon's apparent diameter will be larger. Eclipses of the Moon are easy to watch with the unaided eye. A modest pair of binoculars will give a superb view of the Moon's surface, but are not required. Unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses are completely safe to watch with the naked eye. Special equipment is not required, but binoculars or a telescope can reveal more details and make the observations even more memorable.